Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp WingBar Evo base roof rack system for the 2020 and beyond Hyundai Sonata four-door sedan. The system includes three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack, set of four, and the WingBar Evo load bars offered in either black or silver, and then the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And we'll go over some of the details of this fitting kit and how it works for this vehicle. So the fitting kit will include a set of four of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and also four rubber base pads. They're contoured to fit exactly where they fit on the vehicle. They have numbers on both the rubber base pad and on the door frame bracket that correspond with the numbers that are assigned to its position on the vehicle that are shown on the instruction sheet. Let's demonstrate how those work with one of the feet. Here we've got one of the feet. I'll take off the outer cover. With that outer cover removed, you can see we've already applied a decal here, which helps to ensure that you put the correct components from the fit kit on the correct foot. So we've applied the decal that has FL, which stands for front left. So I'll make sure that I would identify those components from the fit kit and get the corresponding numbers and press the base pad onto the base plate of the foot. Just pressing around the perimeter will hold that in place. And this is the area where the door frame bracket would engage. So you just snap that into place. And that's how you would install the fit kit onto a foot. Now you also have inside the foot these silver tabs, and those silver tabs will allow us to install the load bar. So let's grab the load bar. Here we have the WingBar Evo load bar. This is a section that we cut down so that you can see the unique box beam construction, which gives it excellent strength and stiffness. There's a dedicated track on the top, and that track is accessed in use when you swing open the end cap, and then you can slide in the hardware made for certain carriers to hold them directly to the top of the bar, giving a very clean, integrated method of attachment for those carriers. When it's time to install the foot onto the bar, you can see you have your track here that will hold the foot, and then at the bottom of the track, we pre-installed the measuring device. And this measuring device is there to make sure that the foot is spaced properly on the bar to match up with the vehicle. And there's a number that's provided also in the instruction sheet to ensure that you get that measurement correct quickly and easily. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the foot onto the load bar. So we'll take the foot and press in that silver tab, and then we can simply slide the bar onto the foot. And here we've brought the foot right to the tab there to make sure that we've got it in the correct place. Now you'll notice we have an exposed area of track. To maintain good aerodynamics, we want to fill that in with a supplied rubber strip. And that rubber strip will allow air to flow smoothly on the underside of the bar and keeping the wind noise to a minimum. We can go ahead and put the end cap back into place. Now, when it's time to tighten this system onto the vehicle, Thule has provided a tool here. We just insert that tool to reach the fastener and tighten. And once that's fully tightened, as you go back and forth tightening it simultaneously with the opposite foot, it will click, ensuring it's been fully tightened. There's a clutch mechanism and a pre-assigned torque in the handle, which makes the installation much more easy. Okay, now we can reinstall our outer cover. You just snap that back into place. You do have an included plastic plug, and that plastic plug will just give it a quarter turn to hold that into place. Now you do have the option to replace that plastic plug with a Thule one-key system lock cylinder. A set of four lock cylinders will lock all four of your towers. However, you can purchase a set of 6 or even a set of 8 and beyond in order to key match all of your all of your accessories to the load bar as well. So for example, if you have ski carriers or bicycle carriers, you can use these lock cylinders so that everything will be key matched. It's a very convenient way to get a very good theft deterrent. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp and base roof rack system for the 2020 and beyond Hyundai Elantra. This product, along with a full line of Thule products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the important links in our video description for all of your buying options for this complete rack system for the vehicle. Also, we have a more in-depth, detailed video showing the installation of this. So if you need further assistance and more instruction on the installation beyond the instructions that are included, please watch that video and that can help as well. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.